Hey there, money mavens. Welcome back to Caffeinated Money, your go-to source for financial education and stock market insights. I'm your host, Mike, here to help you brew up some financial success. Hot beverage. In today's video, we're going to dive into the possible collapse of the United States economy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So, grab your favorite cup of joe and let's get started. But before we do, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to secure your future. Let's get into it. The world of finance has always been marked by individuals who possess unique insights and unconventional approaches to investing. Michael Burry, a prominent hedge fund manager and investor, gained widespread recognition for his successful prediction of the 2008 housing market crash, as depicted in the film The Big Short. In recent years, Burry has once again captured the attention of the financial world by making a bold bet on the U.S. market crashing in 2023. This paper delves into Michael Burry's rationale for predicting such an event, the factors driving his belief, and the potential implications of his actions. Burry's investment philosophy. Michael Burry is known for his deep value investment philosophy, which involves identifying undervalued assets that the market has overlooked or misunderstood. He is particularly interested in uncovering systemic flaws or mispricings that could lead to significant market disruptions. Burry's approach is grounded in rigorous research and analysis, often involving granular examination of data and trends. Rationale for predicting a 2023 market crash. Burry's prediction of a U.S. market crash in 2023 is rooted in his concerns about an array of economic indicators, market dynamics, and macroeconomic factors. One of the primary reasons behind his bearish stance is the growing level of corporate debt. Burry believes that the excessive borrowing by companies, coupled with the low interest rate environment, has created a precarious situation that could potentially trigger a severe financial crisis. As interest rates rise, servicing this debt could become increasingly burdensome for corporations, leading to defaults and a cascading effect throughout the market. Another factor driving Burry's prediction is the potential for a bursting of asset bubbles. He has expressed concern about overvalued assets across various sectors, including technology, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. The rapid appreciation of asset prices, driven by speculation rather than fundamental value, raises the risk of a sudden and steep correction. Furthermore, Burry points to potential geopolitical tensions, regulatory changes, and the lingering effects of the COVID-19 pandemic as factors that could contribute to market volatility. He believes that a confluence of these events could amplify the likelihood of a market crash. Implications and critics. Burry's prediction has garnered both support and skepticism within the financial community. Proponents argue that his track record of accurately predicting the 2008 housing market crash lends credibility to his current stance. They highlight his in-depth analysis and ability to identify vulnerabilities that others might overlook. Critics, on the other hand, caution against placing too much weight on a single individual's prediction. They argue that financial markets are influenced by a multitude of complex variables, making accurate predictions exceedingly difficult. Skeptics also point out that Burry's prediction could be self-fulfilling to some extent. If enough investors believe in an imminent crash and start selling, the market could indeed experience a downturn. Conclusion. Michael Burry's reputation as a contrarian investor and his prior successful prediction of the 2008 housing market crash have thrust his 2023 prediction of a U.S. market crash into the spotlight. While the accuracy of his forecast remains to be seen, his rationale for this prediction underscores his commitment to deep value analysis and his ability to identify potential systemic risks. As the financial world watches and waits, only time will reveal whether Burry's insights will once again prove prescient or serve as a cautionary tale about the unpredictability of market dynamics. Hey there, moneymakers! That's it for today's deep dive into the world of finance. I hope you found our discussion on Michael's opinion on possible collapse of the U.S.'s economy insightful and valuable. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge, and that's what we're all about here at Caffeinated Money. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in growing their wealth. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. We've got a lot more financial insights and stock market tips coming your way. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep learning, stay invested, and let's make that money work for us. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off from Caffeinated Money. Stay savvy, money makers.